everyone, myself Sai Prasad, Alexander, Ahmedabad High School and the Junior College. Welcome to a series of lectures of 10th class maths. We started a discussion with a new chapter, that is coordinate geometry. From where did we start? We started from finding the distance between two coordinates, and we discussed a few problems on section formula in the last session, right? And we discussed about one more problem, that is trisection. Hope you remember, right? What is trisection? Trisection means dividing a line into three equal parts in the ratio 2:1 and 1:2. Okay, today we are going to do few more problems on this section formula and the midpoint formula. Shall we start? See here, the question given here it is, he is asking us to find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points these two is divided by this, right? क्या बोल रहा है इधर देखो, इधर ये रेशियो m1 और m2 फाइंड आउट करना है, m1 और m2, ये बीच में नंबर c, लाइन सेगमेंट जॉइनिंग दीज टू पॉइंट्स, एक पॉइंट क्या है -3, -10 और एक पॉइंट 6, -8 is divided by this point. Is it right? What's the formula now? Tell me. Section formula, right? What is it? That is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Is it right? Now see here, what's the formula? C is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Is it right? This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, and this is a middle point xy, right? Just write it here, that is m1 into x2, where is x2? 6, plus m2 into -3 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. ओके, क्या करें इधर? नॉर्मली फॉर्मूला लेके उसमें ये फर्स्ट पॉइंट और ये सेकंड पॉइंट सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देना. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ हाउ टू फाइंड द रेशियो? In order to find the ratio, we have to equate either xx coordinates or xy coordinates. Okay, now equate the coordinates. What do we get? Here m1 into 6 is 6m1, here minus into 3m2, that is minus 3m2 divided by m1 plus m2, that is equal to -6. Remember, they asked you the ratio, so let us cross multiply and simplify in such a way that we get all m1 terms to one side and m2 terms to another side. Okay, कैसे सिंप्लीफाई करना है इसको बोले तो पूरे m1 टर्म्स को एक साइड और m2 टर्म्स को एक साइड लेके सिंप्लीफाई करना. ओके, देखो इधर, देट इज 6m1 minus 3m2 is equal to -1 into this term, that is -m1 minus m2. Is it right? -1 को ये दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई किया तो -m1 minus m2, राइट? अब देखो इधर m1 का वैल्यू को लेफ्ट साइड लाएंगे, m2 का वैल्यू को राइट साइड लेके जाएंगे. डन. सी हियर, 6m1 plus m1 is equal to 3m2 minus m2. 6m1 plus m1 is 7m1. Here 3m2 minus m2 is 2m2. From this I can get the value as m1 by m2 is equal to 2 by 7, that is nothing but 2:7. That is the ratio which is dividing these 2 points. Is it clear? Shall we do one more problem? See here, if 1, 2, 3, 4 points are given are vertices of parallelogram. What do you mean by the vertices? That is points of parallelogram taken in order. Order बोले तो A, B, C, D. देखो इधर A, B, C and one more is D. Okay, what is A here? A is the first one, that is 1, 2. B is second vertex, that is 4, y. Is it right? What is C? C, let us take third vertex x, 6 and the fourth is 3, 5. Then how to solve it? Tell me, what are the different rules of parallelogram? What are the definitions of parallelogram? Any quadrilateral to be parallelogram, you should know that the opposite sides are equal and parallel. Is it right? See here, which means opposite sides should be equal and parallel. How do we prove? We have to take the distance between these two, we get an equation in terms of x and y. Then how to do, what about the diagonals? Diagonals bisect each other. Okay, is it right? That is, the midpoint of AC should be equal to midpoint of BD. Isn't it? Bisect बोले तो क्या, एक ही लाइन को टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना. बाई बोले तो टू, सेक्टिंग बोले तो कटिंग. ओके, यस. अब देखो इधर, बाइसेक्ट बोले तो AC का मिड पॉइंट विल बी इक्वल टू BD का मिड पॉइंट. दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट विच यू हैव टू रिमेंबर थ्रू आउट दिस कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री. ओके, देखो क्या है इधर कंडीशन, midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. Is it right? AC का midpoint, BD का midpoint एक ही रहना है और उसमें coordinates equate करें तो x and y value find out कर सकते. Is it right? Fine. First of all, what is the formula of midpoint? Did you remember in the last section? In the last session, we learned when m1 and m2 both are 1, then we could get the value of midpoint as x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Just remember that, don't forget. Here x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2 is my midpoint formula. Okay, just substitute it here. What is the midpoint of AC? A is this, C is this, that is 1 plus x by 2, 2 plus 6 by 2, that is equal to midpoint of BD. Just write it directly, you need not write separately. Okay, midpoint of BD क्या है इधर, x1 plus x2 बोले तो 4 plus 3 by 2, y plus 5 by 2. Is it right? देखो इधर 1 plus x by 2 comma 2 plus 6 is 4 by, 2 plus 6 is 8 by 2 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7 by 2 comma y plus 5 by 2. Now just equate the coordinates, x to x, y to y. So you can write it directly. क्या है इधर बोलो, 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 7 by 2, 4 is equal to y plus 5 by 2. Is it okay? Find it, the value. 2, 2, both are in denominator, we can cancel. Send this 1 that side, that will be 7 minus 1, x is equal to 6. Here 8 is equal to y plus 5. How? 4 2s are 8. Y is equal to 8 minus 5, that is y is equal to 3. Is it right? Did you understand? See here, once again, what is the first question given? In the last sessions, we learnt about how to find this point when these two points are given and ratio is given. Okay, last class में क्या पढ़े हम, ये दोनों पॉइंट और ये रेशियो दिए तो ये मिड का सेक्शन पॉइंट को फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं, राइट. और एक क्वेश्चन क्या था, ये रेशियो नहीं दिए लेकिन ट्राइसेक्शन बोले तो कैसे करना है, ट्राइसेक्शन बोले तो वी हैव टू पुट दिस रेशियो एज 1:2 or 2:1. Is it right? Similarly, we found the points in the last session. Today we directly started with finding the ratio, that is finding the relationship between m1 and m2, right. They gave these points, clear? That is how we did here. And in the second thing, we use the midpoint formula in order to find the values of x and y. Okay, for example, if they give you to find the fourth coordinate after giving 3 coordinates, how do we do? We have to substitute in the same kind of formula, that is midpoints of the both the diagonals are always equal. Is it right? Did you understand? Shall we do few more problems? Let's do. See here the next question. Given here it is, he is asking us to find the coordinates of a point A where AB is the diameter of a circle. बोले तो क्या? Do you know what is the diameter of a circle? We know, right? क्या है diameter बोले तो whose center is this and B is this. Okay. See here. If there is a circle whose diameter is AB. Okay. एक सर्कल दिए तो उसका डायमीटर AB है तो center is this, let us say that is some O. Okay, he is telling that B is 1, 4 and center is 2, -3. This is 2, -3. Okay, he is asking us to find this A. Just tell me what is the diameter? Diameter बोले तो क्या, ये center से किसी भी पॉइंट ऑफ द सर्कल को रेडियस कहते हैं, राइट. व्हाट इज रेडियस? रेडियस इज द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द सेंटर टू एनी पॉइंट ऑफ द सर्कल इज कॉल्ड एज रेडियस. The double of this radius is called as diameter. This is the conventional story which we know, right? That is, this will be the middle point of this and this. Do we have the formula of midpoint? Yes, right? See here, this O, ये O is midpoint of ये A, B का points. Okay? So, let A be x comma y. Right? O is midpoint of AB, that is O 2 comma minus 3 is midpoint of A of x comma y and B of 1 comma 4. Shall we substitute? That's it. 2 comma minus 3, that is equal. What is the formula of midpoint? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. What is x1 here? X. x2 is 1 by 2. y1 is y. y2 is 4 by 2. Is it okay? Now just equate x coordinates and y coordinates. That's it. See here. 2 is equal to x plus 1 by 2, comma, minus 3 is equal to y plus 4 by 2. Just cross multiply. X plus 1 is equal to 2 sir, 4. X is equal to 4 minus y. X is 3. और इधर minus 6 is equal to y plus 4, y is equal to minus 6 minus 4, y is equal to minus 10. Therefore, A is 3 comma minus 10. Is it clear? Right? What do we remember here? That is the midpoint formula, and we should have the minimum sense that this center is the midpoint of this diameter. समझ में आ रहा है ना? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को जाएंगे क्या? चलो. The next question given here it is, if A and B are 2 points given respectively, then he is asking us to find the coordinates of P on AB in such a way that AP is 3/7 of AB. Just can you tell me how to do it? Shall we do once? देखो इधर A से B तक AB is in such a way that this AP, let us say some point P, right? AP is third part out of seventh part. Is it right? That is, AP is 3 out of 7 times AB. Is it clear? Did you understand? That is, AP 3 parts है तो AB 7 parts है. Is it okay? That's what we have to do here. That is, ये 3 है तो ये क्या होगा? 4. Is it right? Which means P is a point which divides the ratio in the 3:4. Okay? Did you understand? Shall we do technically how to do and everything? Right? We want the ratio of AP by PB. Okay? Now check here. That is, if you want to do mathematically, you can. AB is nothing but AP plus PB. Isn't it? What is AB here? AB is 7 by 3 AP. Okay? This is 7 by 3 AP. Let us bring this AP this side. That will be PB. देखो इधर LCM क्या है? 3. 7 AP में से 3 AP सब्ट्रैक्ट किए तो क्या होगा? 4 AP by 3 is equal to PB. Now tell me AP by PB. What is the ratio? AP by PB is 3 by 4. That is, my ratio is 3:4. Is it right? समझ में आ गया ना? अब देखो इधर A का पॉइंट B का पॉइंट में से रेशियो 3:4 रख के P का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करेंगे. Is it right? That's what the question, right? Find the coordinates of P such that AP is 3/7 of AB. Okay? करेंगे. देखो इधर क्या है? Therefore, P of x comma y is equal to M1 is this, M2 is this. Okay? What is A? A is minus 2 comma minus 2. B is 2 comma minus 4. Okay? This is minus 2 comma minus 2. This is 2 comma minus 4. Is it okay? Let us substitute it here. m1 x2, that is 3 into 2, plus m2 is 4 into x1 by m1 plus m2. Next, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Just substitute, just simplify it, right? 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 3 plus 4 7. This is minus 12 minus 8 divided by 7. Is it okay? 6 minus 8 is minus 2 by 7. Minus 12 minus 8 is minus 20 by 7. Did you understand? These are the different problems of midpoint and section formula. Then next we are going to learn a few more problems. That is, one is we will start with finding the centroid. What is the centroid? And then next we will find the area of the triangle. How to do this? This is a kind of interesting concept and easy to understand, isn't it? Shall we start? Let's do. Now tell me, what is the centroid? Did you heard about this word any time? You would have heard in some physical kind of thing. What is the centroid of a particular object, of a planar thing, where the finger is to be placed so that this has to be in a straight direction. You would have heard, right? Fine. Based on that only, this whole definition is being defined. What is the centroid is, just remember, these are the basic things. If there is a triangle with the 3 coordinates A, B, C, right? What are the different lines which we have inside a triangle? One is altitude, one is median, isn't it? What is a median? A median is a line which touches one point to midpoint of another side. Is it right? Which touches one vertex to midpoint of the opposite side, right? How many medians do we have? We have 3 medians. Is it right? Obviously, these medians will meet at a point. That point is called as centroid, which is usually denoted as G. Is it okay? Can we define it again? A centroid is defined as a point of intersection of medians in a triangle. Okay. What is its formula then? If A is x1, y1, B is x2, y2, C is x3, y3, then centroid formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This is very easy to understand and very easily you can remember. What is the formula of midpoint? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. What is centroid? x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Is it clear? Shall we do this example? See here. This is the question given. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, this is x3 y3. What is the centroid? x1 plus x2 plus x3, that is minus 1 plus 6 minus 3 divided by 3, comma 3 minus 3 plus 6 divided by 3. Is it fine? Now tell me, minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4, 6 minus 4 is 2 by 3, here 3 cancel, 6 by 3. Is it right? Did you understand? Good. That is, therefore my centroid is 2 by 3 comma 2. Clear? Is it okay? What is centroid and everything? We shall have 2 or 3 problems again. Before that, I want to teach you one more thing, that is area of triangle, which is very important and which is a basic of my next session. There are the 3 points of a triangle. One is A of x1 comma y1, let us assume in quote. One more is B of x2 comma y2, third one is x3 comma y3. What is the area formula? This is also very important. Remember, we will not derive anything, we will directly learn the formula, that is area of triangle is x1 into y2 minus y3, x2 into y3 minus y1, x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, can you remember this? How to remember? See here, the people who can't remember, just I'll tell you a trick. Just write x, y, x, y, x, y. This is modulus. Why do we keep modulus? Because the area should be always positive. Even if I get some negative answer inside, this modulus have to make it as positive. Okay. Now see here, I wrote just directly x and y's everything. Just write 1, 2, 3 in order. 1, 2, 3. After that 2, 3, 1. After that 3, 1, 2. Is this the same formula? Isn't it? Fine. This is how we can remember this area of the triangle. Right? And one more condition we have to remember is collinearity. Collinear means all 3 points should lie on same line. Right? If these all points are on same line, does it form any triangle? No, right? Therefore, area is 0. Just remember the condition. If it is in a distance formula, what did we do? AC is equal to AB plus BC. Right? Any two sides should be equal to the third side. Yes? In area of triangle, if area equal to 0, then A, B, C are collinear. Remember this condition. Clear? Is this okay for today? Fine? Clear. By the next session, I will definitely expect you to remember this formula and this formula in order to solve few problems of triangles. Is it clear? Fine. This is for today. Let us meet in the next session with more problems of coordinate geometry. Thank you.